If the market, goes back up to near all-time high, then yeah, maybe a Lamborghini. But right now, only cars. QQQ really started selling off at the open, and really never even touched the VWAP. And I tried to catch a reversal on QQQ. It was down, but around 1% here, and we had this level S4. Good morning, everybody. YouTube, Andrew is here. So the market is really flat, and it really doesn't know what you want to do, except the news that we're getting, like Twitter or HP yesterday, based on Elon Musk or Warren Buffett take positions in there. The volatility is really narrowed in both the stock market and also in the bond market, and the reason for that is a lot of uncertainty right now in the world. Obviously, the war in Ukraine and the high oil prices that usually in the past, high oil prices in these levels usually end up into a recession, plus the inflation that Federal Reserves have to deal with. So we're dealing in a very uncertain condition. That's why the market doesn't want to drop too much. At the same time, there's really no point for it to just rally going up, because the growth is extremely under question. So the tightening would be the highest since 1944, the way that all the central banks all around the world, they want to do that. So earnings season is going to start next week again. A lot, banks, usually starts with banks. Starting next week, we have a lot of earnings are coming. So even if the market overall is not volatile, we might get a lot of good stocks in play trading earnings. Today, there was one of those days that you wake up and you see there's nothing in the Gappers watch list, and I really didn't like anything, and I mentioned that there is really nothing to trade, except that what we noticed that the QQQ really started selling off at the open, and really never even touched the VWAP. And I tried to catch a reversal on TQQ. It was down, but around 1% here. And we had this level S4 on TQQ, which same as QQQ, which is the 2 days ago low. And I was hoping to get to this level, tried to add a couple of times, did some sort of a double bottom, but eventually lost it and I got stopped out. And then we went to another level that we had. This level is the previous day close, as you see this doji. And I started loading up again on this based on, again, put my stop loss based on this level. And then the pop happened, sold, and then added on heavy on this pullback, and then another pop to the VWAP. And as you see, it's going to go up. It came to my break-even point, and I was kind of expecting it to go back up, but I was just done with my money. This is the first trade that I got stopped out with loss, but I made it back in this trade. Much better and more powerful. I'm just happy. Day like that, when you're struggling, 2 trades, one good, one bad, and you end up profitable on that. And I'm very happy with this condition that we are having. So that's it for me. That pretty much, yeah. I'm not gonna trade anything, and I'm very happy. So Brian, how was your trading day? So that's one thing.
Yeah, no, it wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Really, the best trade. I had a few trades, made a bit of money on like this hood short off the VWAP. But the best trade I had today was Twitter, and Norm took that as well. Norm had a little bit of a better entry than I did, but got in around 47.52 after we started to break above the VWAP, and pushed up through previous day close. So got a nice move. And again, Norm kind of nailed the high, which was he figured 48.30, and that turned out to be where it pretty much got toppy. So yeah. So hopefully a few other people caught that as well. There were a few other opportunities. Obviously, Oxy was a nice move up. The gold trays were good today. GDXJ, some of them in a swing trade. So yeah, that's about it.
Excellent.
Overall, it was a green day. Yep.
Yeah, it turned out to be
a good way
nice
to end
day.
the week.
Yeah, really nice day.
Yep.
So I ended my day with 7,700. I think it's very reasonable considering the market. And so what else do we want to talk about? Oh, it's the one thing that I want to talk about this, guys, is my book on Amazon. Because right now it's a bestseller in Investing Basics, thanks to all of your support. And I need 8 more reviews to get to 12,000 reviews. And that would be nice if you can help me with your honest review. I don't expect anything dishonest. And of course, if you've read and purchased it, if you're not, so don't worry about it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I just wanted to remind everyone that our stock trading simulator replay, it's now you just have to sign up if you want, and it's free to use for everyone. You just have to log in, and when you log in, you go into our email newsletter, and Ayman is sending you homeworks and trade ideas, because what do you want to trade if you don't know exactly what to trade in the previous days? And yes, and if you have any comments and feedback, send them to us. And our trading terminal is also under development. We're making some big changes on that, hopefully. So it's not ready yet, but just keep in mind that one is also coming. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good weekend. And yeah, this week is not a long weekend, but next week we're going to have the Good Friday, which is weekend. Brian, anything from you?
No, everybody have a good weekend. Take the time to review some of your trades while you take the weekend, and yeah, relax, enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you all Monday morning.
Yeah, see you all Monday morning, and no Lamborghini. If the market, goes back up to near all-time high, then yeah, maybe a Lamborghini. But right now, only cardboard. All the best, guys. Cheers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Cheers.